Metadata Utility API Key Registration. From the main switchboard, click on Enter /View Information Switchboard, followed by clicking on Metadata Utility Switchboard, followed by clicking on Data Provider API Key. This will open up the Data Provider Key Management window. Once opened, click on Add New, followed by clicking on the confirmation message to add or edit list. Click Yes, which will set up the Data Provider Key Management window in edit mode. Once in edit mode, double-click on the drop-down menu to activate it, followed by selecting the movie database, here abbreviated by TMDB, followed by entering your API key, which you received directly from the movie database. And lastly, click on the checkbox to activate that entered key. Once it has been completed, you should have your API key listed as seen here. Then proceed on clicking on Close, which will complete the API Data Provider Key Management registration. For more detailed information as to what is a Data Provider API key, how to request and receive an API key, visit our website at metadata-utility.com, where we have detailed instructions, as well as we welcome all of our users to click on any of our other videos, which we have detailed instructions and tutorials, many of the other features that have built into Metadata Utility. Thank you for watching.